Did you know that over 100 million people worldwide are now using cryptocurrencies? And guess what? You can start earning crypto effortlessly too. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to never miss out on our latest tips and tricks to boost your income. Today, we're diving into an exciting way to earn free cryptocurrency without breaking a sweat, thanks to PassiveDrip. Let's get into it. So, what is PassiveDrip? It's a fantastic platform where you can earn free cryptocurrencies by completing simple tasks like viewing ads, filling out surveys, and more. It's like getting paid to scroll through your phone. Sounds amazing, right? Let's explore how it works. First, head over to PassiveDrip.com and sign up. It's quick, easy, and free. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of tasks you can complete to earn faucet tokens. These tokens can then be converted into your favorite cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. What I love about PassiveDrip is how effortless it is. You can earn while watching TV during your commute, or even while taking a break at work. Plus, the more tasks you complete, the more you earn. It's perfect for building a lucrative side hustle without any upfront investment. How cool is that? Let's talk numbers. PassiveDrip already paid out over $2,000 to its users. And with over 13,000 users already on board, you know it's legit. Imagine being able to earn a consistent stream of crypto just by doing what you already do online. To start earning, simply log in daily, complete the available tasks like viewing PTC, pay to click, ads, visiting short links, or participating in offer walls. Each task takes just a few seconds to a few minutes, and they all add up quickly. Stopwatch and don't forget, the more referrals you bring in, the more you can earn. Up to 20% from your referrals claims. Talk about passive income. So if you're looking for an easy and fun way to earn some extra cash, give PassiveDrip a try. You won't regret it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. For more information and to get started, visit our website https://ckbtino.com. We've got all the resources you need to maximize your earnings. Thanks for watching and happy earning. See you in the next video.